Alright, it's been a little while since I've played with my very first Macintosh IIfx. It says 2, and when I bought it I thought it was a 2, but it has been upgraded to a IIfx. There's a SCSI to SD adapter installed for the hard drive. I've always wanted one of these monitors, an original monitor, to work with it. I got this from my Athens haul. So now this will be the first time I've actually played with this bad boy with original monitor. So, let's see if it still works. You're killing me, Smalls. Okay, I think the power cable wasn't in all the way. Let's try it again. It helps if the cable's plugged in all the way, right? Oh, there we go. Sweet, sweet late 80s Macintosh goodness here. Oh. All right, come on, bootstrap. Well, that's not good. And actually, now that I think about it, I believe I took the SCSI to SD out and put it in the other IIfx. So let me swap that out real quick. In the meantime, I wonder if... yeah, it'll still boot. I knew that 608 disc was good. And it's not formatted in high density, by the way. Oop. Okay. Let me get the SCSI to SD adapter, put it in here, and see what we can do with it. Yeah, 800K boot disk. Alright. Yeah, I'm sorry, this is just something that doesn't even happen today. And in the 1980s, going back to 1984 on the original Macintosh, this is just really cool. Watch. Here it is. Where's the SCSI cable? Let's hook it up. Alright, here we go. Oh no, that's disappointing. Alright. Damn it. Alright. I'm gonna boot it off the system disk and see if I can't see why the SCSI to SD is not being detected. You know, I've worked on computers for many years. Oh, and before anybody says anything, yes, I've got... Sorry. But things work better when you actually have the electricity powered up to them. Let's try that. Alright, what, third, fourth, fifth time, whatever is a charm, let's try it. So help me, you better find a boot device or I'm going to be pissed. Come on, welcome to Macintosh. Welcome to Macintosh. Welcome to Macintosh. Where is it? This is not promising. Damn it! Okay, another thing that helps. The SD card, has to be inserted. Okay, that's a little better. Alright, better late than never. Here we go. You know, I thought this monitor was color, but it might be black and white. I gotta check the settings. Here we go. SCSI to SD is finally working. Due to the boneheaded mistakes of me was why it was not working. Oh, look at that. Alright, about this Macintosh. What have we here? A dirty mouse, apparently. 753. 20 megs of RAM? Not too shabby. Yeah, this was called a sleeper. It's a 2, but it's... The case says 2, but the components are 2FX. God, those disk drives sound so good. Oh, eject. Alright, see if I can find something fun to do with this. No, it is color. It was just this... It was set to black and white, but yeah, this monitor is in color. I have to say, though, there's just something about the monochrome, the black and white at least, that's just really vintage, classic Mac that just is a huge throwback. It's just... I remember the first Macintosh I ever saw was a 2 or a 2FX. And it was my Uncle Doug, and he had a black and white display, and being on a TRS-80 Color Computer 2 at the time, seeing a machine like this in the late 80s when I was just a little kid, I mean, was just a beast. You know, I've got a network card in my other 2FX. I wonder if I can get this thing on the network. That would be really cool. Well, might as well try. No time like the present, right? I wonder if the right... it works. This used to be one of my favorite games when I was a little kid. Alright. This is a NuBus, N-U-B-U-S, NuBus style Ethernet adapter. It won't focus, but trust me, there's an RJ45 socket there. Yeah, let's plug this in and see if we can't get a late 80s computer, an IP address, and get it on the network. This is about to be a Mac in 2 million pieces because the damn case won't go back on, and I'm quickly losing my patience. With no further ado, and we're in color now. Yes. Alright, let's see if we can get this bad boy on the network. Well, I didn't like DHCP. Let's see if we can do it manually. Once again, it's a little frustrating. I tried this on the other 2FX. I cannot get these machines to pull an IP address from the DHCP server. I even issue it one manually, and I still, when I do that, can't ping it. So I don't know. Maybe the network card's bad. I don't know. It'd be really cool just to have this thing have an IP address on it, just to say I did it. I wonder if I can find Lemmings. That would be a cool game to play on this computer. Well, I couldn't get it on the network for now, but at least we got some flying toasters. If this is not the epitome of Apple and Macintosh right here, then I don't know what is. That's it for now. What a beautiful computer.